Hola, Señora Vaz with your instructions for today. Today, the first thing you're gonna do, and that I hope you did in just first 5 minutes of class, is to go to this photo, that is a discussion, and respond to this question. All you had to do is to answer the question, ¿Cómo te llamas? We were practicing that in the last class we were together working in class, and you just need to respond that question. So you click answer, and then you type your answer here, and then you click post reply, and that'll be it. Reply here. Okay. We're gonna work on our second project today. And when we work on a project, is what I call a make-up word day. That means you're gonna have the time to work on the activities. You need to go and check your grades, see what you're missing. Maybe you missed something, maybe I missed something, and maybe you submitted new work and it's not there. So I'll need you to check PowerSchool. Once you check PowerSchool, you're gonna know how your grade looks like, and if you're fine with your grade, well, you don't have to do anything extra. But if you are not fine with your grade, because I sent this, but she hasn't put the grade, then you need to let me know during class so we can fix it during class. So today we have a make-up day and we have a project. The priority is to do your make-up work, but that doesn't exempt you from doing your project. And the project is due in this date, today. So let's see what the project is about. So your project is very simple. It says that you need to research about San Fermin Festival and prepare a Google presentation about it. Your presentation must have 5 slides, and then I put here the description of what goes in each one of the slides. Okay? Then, here, there is a note. All slides must include pictures, and I give you what I'm going to grade on your project. This is very important. Do not forget to change the share settings so I can see your presentation. That has happened a couple of times with some of the work that you have sent me, and that's why I haven't been able to see it. You can look on Canvas. I put comments there on why you maybe have a 0, and it's maybe because you didn't change the share settings. So if I cannot see, I cannot grade it. So check the comments that I put there. Do not submit anything back on Canvas because I'm not going back to check that assignment. If you didn't get it on time or you didn't have the settings for me to see it, then you have to resubmit in a late Word Google form. Where is that, Mrs. Bass? Oh, let me show you. So here in the home page, you have the late work Google form is right here, and the late work policy right here. You fill that form. That's one thing. And then the other thing is, like, I don't know how to change the share settings. You give me a 0 because and it's right here. How do I change my share settings on the Google presentation for my teacher to see it? So you don't know how to do it, you can go here, or you can ask me. That's why I'm here at School 4 to help you with your work. Okay, then here's where you're gonna submit your link, only the link. You do not have to share put my name in the share settings. If you are not sure how to do it, what she's talking about, you can ask me. But I don't need to receive an email on that. I do not receive work on email, remember this, and I do not receive work just by sharing with me. You have to submit the link on Canvas. That's what I need. All right. So that's all. I'll see you in class. Adios.